In today's video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for e-learning so you can turn your lessons and course materials into clear, engaging audio content. If you're new to e-learning content creation, the idea is simple. You take written lessons and convert them into natural-sounding voiceovers that students can listen to anytime. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the Text-to-Speech or Project section. This is where you'll build and manage your e-learning audio content. Next, prepare your lesson material. Break your content into small sections like topics, subtopics, or lecture parts, so learners can follow along more easily. Now choose a voice that sounds clear, calm, and easy to understand. For e-learning, clarity is more important than emotion, so pick a voice that helps learners focus. Once your voice is selected, paste your lesson text into the editor. Use proper punctuation and simple sentence structure so the AI can deliver smooth and natural explanations. Before generating the audio, quickly review your content for accuracy and readability. Educational material should always be precise and easy to understand.
In today's
Now
video,
click the
I'll show
Generate
you how to
button
use
and let
ElevenLabs for
convert your
eLearning.
lesson into speech. After the audio is ready, listen carefully to check pacing, clarity, and pronunciation. If something feels too fast or unclear, adjust your text or try a different voice. Once you're happy with the result, download the audio and use it in your online courses, training modules, presentations, or learning platforms. You can also organize your lessons inside projects to keep everything structured and easy to update over time. And that's how you use ElevenLabs for e-learning. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.